DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are tackling sublimation printing. Now, sublimation printing is a way of transferring an image onto a material using ink and heat. So if you're wanting to print out your own iron-ons for t-shirts and tote bags and aprons, this project is for you. Now, the most economical way to do sublimation printing is to turn a regular printer into a sublimation printer, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. And for our purposes, we're using an Epson EcoTank printer, and it's super easy. And after that, we're going to start printing our own t-shirts. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this video, or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's do some sublimation printing. Unlike other sublimation inks on the market, HIPPOO's sublimation ink bottles are compatible with the EcoTank printers, so it's super easy to fill your ink tanks without making a mess or using a syringe. Just unscrew the cap and push the nozzle on the coordinating color and let it fill up with ink. Easy peasy. In order to make your transfers, you will need sublimation paper, and HIPPOO makes a paper with a 98% transfer rate, which is pretty high compared to other brands. This means 98% of the ink will be transferred onto your t-shirt, mug, or tote bag. FYI, your printouts won't look vibrant or saturated, but don't worry, your image will be bright and beautiful once it's transferred. When you're sublimation printing, it's important that your fabric is at least 50% polyester or synthetic fibers. It's really easy to find t-shirts, aprons, and tote bags that will work for this project. Just a quick reminder to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment. I love chatting with you guys in the comment section. It lets me know that you're out there and watching my videos. Thanks a lot. I'm going to leave a link to HIPPOO and everything I used for this project in the description below. Write to me if you have a question. I think I'll be able to answer it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.